Come along with me to my 3-month trip to Oahu. I'll be posting daily video logs packed with travel tips, stunning videos, and insights from my stay. I left Myrtle Beach on a mid-afternoon flight, and after 14 hours of travel, I finally arrived in Oahu. Flying over Honolulu at night is always breathtaking. After checking into my Airbnb and grabbing my rental car, my first stop, Foodland Farms. This is my go-to local grocery store, and I'll be doing a full video on it soon, but for now I headed straight to the poke section to grab a hearty poke for breakfast for the morning. It was time to pick up my new longboard at Hawaiian South Shore Surf Shop. I got the Harvey Ingleby 9'6" Diamond Drive 2 longboard shaped on a red Thunderbolt blank. The board has multiple fin options: quad, 2+1, single fin. Since I am a shortboarder at heart, I went with the quad setup, but I did pick up the 2+1 fin setup just in case I wanted to switch things up. The crew at South Shore were awesome. If you notice, he's waxing the fins before installing them. They slide in so much easier. A great tip when you want to put in fins to a new board. I was starving, so I headed over to my favorite local hidden gems, chicken and brisket. I'll do a full video on them soon. This is one of the spots that only locals know about, and my go-to order, the Korean fried chicken thighs. I buy a few extra packs, freeze them, and enjoy them over the next few weeks. So good. Look how crispy these things are. Thank you all so much for watching. Mahalo.